Hello student, you see the chapter number 6, triangle chapter, exercise 6.1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks using the word given in brackets. All circles are dash dash are gap, congruent or similar. You have to be select. All circles are dash dash are gap, congruent or similar. So all circles are similar. All squares are dash dash are gap, similar or congruent. Then you can say that all squares are similar, because whether it is small or big squares are there, but the sides are same. So we can say that similar, एक ही तरह का होगा. As you have written here, the small circle or big circle, their radius will not equal, so it will not congruent, but it will be similar. So similar एक ही तरह का दिखता है, इसलिए similar होता है. तो all circles are similar, all squares are similar. Now third part, all dash dash gap triangles are similar. So which kind of triangles are similar? So we can say that all equilateral triangles are similar. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल जिसका तीनों साइड इक्वल हो, चाहे बड़ा हो छोटा हो कितने भी साइज का हो, लेकिन तीनों साइड इक्वल से मतलब है, इसलिए ऑल इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल्स विल बी सिमिलर. नाउ स्टूडेंट, टू पॉलीगन्स ऑफ सेम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर सिमिलर इफ देयर करेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल. इफ देयर करेस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स आर इक्वल, their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay student, suppose that this is number sides, two polygon, square and rectangle. In both polygon number of sides are same, but the corresponding angles, these corresponding angles are equal, and their sides, suppose that 1 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter, this is 1 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, but their sides, corresponding sides must be proportional. Okay, so corresponding side must be proportional. Suppose that this is 2, this is 2, this is 2 also, then we can say that this is proportional, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Proportional means what is the proportion between these sides and this must be equal. This side to this side must be equal. So the ratio of the corresponding sides of two polygon of the same number sides proportional also. So you have to select from here equal in first and proportional in second. So your question number 1 will complete. Okay, now you see question number 2. Give two different examples of pair of similar figure. Give two different examples of pair of first similar figures. Give two different example of pair of similar figure and non similar figures. Okay, give two different example. Suppose that you take, this is a circle, a small circle and a big circle. So these circles, these two circles, one is small, one is bigger, and they are looking same types. This is circle, so this is circle. Only the difference between their radius. Okay. So these give two different example of pair of similar figures. One is circle, small and big. These two circles are similar, and one is square. One is small square and one is a large square. The difference between their sides 1 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. They are squares, but the sides are different, but they are looking same. Square, square. So two examples are there of similar figures. Now non-similar figures. Non-similar figures. Student, non-similar figure means one is a circle and one is a triangle. How can we say that these two figures are similar? Because this is circle, this is triangles. Any kinds we can't prove that these two figures are similar. एक ही तरह का है, different है. And one is there, that is a square, and that is what? You see, one, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. That is not a similar also. So you can write yourself the different figures that cannot be similar anyway. आप इसको देख सकते हैं, क्या दोनों फिगर एक तरह के लगते हैं? नहीं. तो जब एक दोनों फिगर एक तरह के नहीं हैं तो सिमिलर कैसे हो सकते हैं? और सिमिलरिटी क्या होता है कि वेदर स्मॉल आर बिग, बट वो एक तरह के दिखने चाहिए. ठीक है, तो इसलिए वो सिमिलरिटी होते हैं. बाकी जो सिमिलरिटी का होता है, या तो उसका करेस्पेंडिंग एंगल इक्वल हो और उसके साइड प्रोपोर्शनल हो. ओके, सो you have given two different example of similar and two different example of non-similar. Okay. Now see question number 3. Now see question number 3. Question number 3. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. You see, S R Q P 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. One is square. It's not look like a square, but you only take as example, student, because by figure it is not correct. I am feeling that 3 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Only it is example. You don't say that it is a correct figure. 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and the corresponding angles are. You see, the corresponding angles of both figures are same? Not. The corresponding figures are different. Here this angle is more than this angle, and this angle is less than this angle. So angles are not corresponding. Angles in both figures are not corresponding, and we can say that angles in both angles are एक मिनट corresponding angles in both figures are not same, not equal. So corresponding angles in both figures are not equal. Okay, but the sides are proportional. 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3, 1.5 upon 3. Okay, the sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. Sides are proportional. But corresponding angles in both figures are not equal. Sides are proportional, but corresponding angles in both figures are not equal. So the given figures are not similar. So your answer will be no. Okay, no, your answer will be no, not similar. Okay student, thank you very much.